Getting a late start to it today, but take a look at that. Doesn't that look good? Oh, these windows look filthy, but the car looks clean. There we go. So I washed the car yesterday, and it does look a lot better. It was brown earlier. Now it's not. I'm going to go outside and play around in the garage. I'm going to make a couple more of these things, I think, depending on how the temperature is out there. It's supposed to get much colder. I think it's -3 now. It's supposed to plummet to, I think, -9. And with all that snow out there, geez, I don't know how anybody's getting anywhere. But I'll have to drag the car into the driveway. I'm going to load it up for tomorrow. Because tomorrow I'm going to go to Peter's, hang out with the Can-Am Dinghy Cruising Association guys, and that means I want to bring a chart. Actually, no, I'm not going to bring a chart. There'll be charts there. I'll just take pictures. Simpler. Hey, back out in the garage. I got my fancy glasses on, as you can probably tell. I've already drilled a couple of holes in this. One there and one there. I'm going to be using the drill press to drill the larger holes, because I think part of my problem with the last set that I did, it wasn't straight. So the drill press will make it straight. Ooh, and it works. So let's fire some holes for this. That wasn't expected. Oh well. Look at that. Looks a lot nicer than the last one I did. Oh, let's drill the other hole here. We've just got a little adjustment to make on the drill bit. Won't be a minute. That ought to do it. Okay, let's try and do this again. We're going back to the handheld. Okay, we're going back to the handheld drill because I've had enough of that. Okay. Hole saw kit on my list. Okay, well, I guess that's it's going to be that. We're not going to get that screw to work any better. I'm going to have to get a new grub screw or a new kit, and it'll probably have to be a new kit because that grub screw is just done. But what I can still do is cut some flats so I can solder these on. And this one. Clean those up. I'll cut some flats first. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. It's pretty good. And this time I'm going to solder it on like this. I'm going to chamfer these, or bevel these edges. Let's get a sanding thing. Well, I'll try and do it with this first. Why not? Oh, that's probably the best way to do it, is hang on to the crazy thing. So we're at the point now where I've got to clean this up with the stainless steel wire brush. I'll clean the other part as well. We've got to get this oxidization off. See how it's kind of dull? That's got to come off. Okay, so we've got these cleaned up. So they're going to go together like this. Hopefully. Hopefully we won't have a problem with it when I heat it up and get dabbing at it. Let's see. Now, one of the things I've seen on YouTube is guys tinning these parts before they put them together. I don't know. I'll try it. I'll give it a heat it up. I'll heat this bottom one, give it a coat, heat the top one, give it a coat, put them together, see what happens. Actually, I might do that differently. I'll maybe just tin the bottom one and then put the top on it and see how we go. I can see tinning being a problem just because it's so much working with hot pieces of metal and having to move them. I've got pliers here, so we'll see what happens. It's only skin, it burns. Hey, why not? Okay, let's get this party started. That's that. What a shot! That should be the thumbnail. Come on. What is up with this thing now? Okay. Well, that's doesn't look so bad there. Or this other side, it's got a bit of a gloop. But that's okay, I think. On the inside, It looks like it's got pretty good coverage all around. Well, it looks like it really wanted to stick. I think the stainless brush makes a big difference. Cleans off a lot more impurities than the other brush. Yeah, I'll zoom in on my face. There, that's better. So I was going to make 2 of these things, but because I've had the drill or hole saw failure, it's going to be 1, and that's going to be it. So I'll be taking 3 of these to Waterlook, Peter's place, as well as a piece that is round, same stuff, but put on a flat plate. So we'll test those and bust them and see how much it takes. Won't be any real measurement of Newton meters of force or anything like that, because we're not set up for that. We're just set up for maybe putting a big pipe wrench on it and twisting and seeing, oh, that took a lot, or that didn't take much. Okay, I gotta go in the house, get in and out of this cold, finish my coffee. Yeah, I should have done that about half an hour ago. It's getting cold.